Finding the courage to change. The answer is already there. Often I take an inventory when some personal relationship problem occurs. What just happened? What was my part? What actions of mine might have contributed to the problem? What assumptions did I make? Why did I make those particular assumptions? What deeper fears were underneath my problem behavior? Asking questions like this is very productive. I'm always connected to infinite intelligence. To tap into it, I just need to calm down and start asking questions. When I journal or meditate, I often receive the answers to my questions immediately. I can tell the difference between wishful thinking and an answer. Wishful thinking usually reinforces the negative pattern I was in. I justify my behavior. I continue to feel bad, confused, or lost. An answer from infinite intelligence feels different. I can feel an answer from source in my gut. It's a knowing that feels like a puzzle piece falling into place. It feels really true. It's a light bulb going off over my head. It's an aha moment. Sometimes source will use me to answer questions from another person. I began assistant teaching my martial art before I became a black belt. There was a lot that I just didn't know. A junior student would ask me a question, and I would inhale to say, I don't know. On the exhale, I would find myself answering the question and demonstrating the skill in a new way. I would know that the answer was right. Infinite intelligence is always available. I simply have to be open to receive the answer.